Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to talk over a sound on TikTok by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the TikTok application and find out which video that we want to talk over it. So I already have the video that I want to talk over this sound of this video. So after that, please go into this feature on the left side that it has a right arrows here, click it, and then take a look on these bottom features. There is a duet, just click the duet, and now hold on until you can have an access to do a duet. There will be a lot of layouting here that you can choose. Either you can do like side to side or like this, side to side, like on top and bottom, or you can do it this. It will be only your face that appear on the screen of the video like this. And after that, if you don't want to your face appear here, you just like can take off your hat from the camera. And how to talk over this so that our voice can be heard: make sure that this microphone symbol is not in a red color. Click it so that you can speak over this sound. Let's try. Let's see. Oh my god, the cat is acting. Nice actor. And after this, just click done, and then you will be go okay. Let's see. Oh my god, the cat is acting. Nice actor. Already have your voice over the sound of the video that you choose. That's how the way you talk over sound on TikTok. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.